Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you my beginner's makeup as well as for the college going girls for their day. For that you need to use sunscreen first. Here I am using Dot & Key sunscreen. You should use sunscreen every day even when as you are at home, as you have UV lights through your bulbs you get at home and outside as well. Even in winters and rainy season you should use a nice sunscreen. Then I'm gonna take the clutcher and I will tie my hairs neatly so that makeup करते वक्त मुझे किसी भी चीज़ की तकलीफ ना हो. After that I'm gonna use the lash expressor before applying mascara. After that I'm gonna apply mascara on my eyes. So first of all मैं अपने eye ऊपर की साइड ही यूज़ करूँगी. Then I will apply it on the bottom side. Even आई बॉल्स के नीचे जो हेयर्स होते हैं उन आई लैशेस पर वहाँ पर भी वी हैव टू अप्लाई मस्कारा. आफ्टर यूजिंग मस्कारा आई एम गोना यूज़ eyeliner. I am here doing big eyeliner. First of all you're gonna take the stroke from outside and then you're gonna fill it inside. I'm gonna apply this on my both the eyes in same way. After applying it on the both the sides I'm again gonna use the tool so that I can give a nice grip and height to my eyelashes. As my eyebrows are already shaped and they are really very dark, so I'm gonna just give it a normal shape and point to them. After doing that I'm gonna use the shimmer lip gloss as I don't like to use lipsticks on daily basis. So and that's what with a nice hairstyle. If you want a hairstyle video please comment me down below. And here my all the look is completed. I hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.